Welcome to my channel.
Debate conversation. I'm the teacher.
Important rules to understand and make easier and enjoyable debate conversations.
Health.
What is the best thing to do to stay healthy?
What do you think the worst disease to have would be?
Do you consider yourself to be healthy? How often do you exercise?
What is your diet like? Do you eat mostly fruits and vegetables?
What do you think about the healthcare system in your country? How could it be improved?
People are living longer and longer thanks to medicine. How long would you like to live? How about forever?
Are there any diseases like smallpox that you think humans could totally get rid of if we tried?
Where do you think the future of medicine will be? Genetics? Cybernetics? Chemistry?
Would you like to get your genome sequenced?
Now please watch the next video in order to understand better.
Genomic sequencing is a process for analyzing a sample of DNA taken from your blood. In the lab, technicians extract DNA and prepare it for sequencing. Within every normal cell are 23 pairs of chromosomes. Chromosomes are structures that house DNA. DNA is coiled into a shape called the double helix. The double helix can be unwound into a ladder shape. The ladder is made up of paired chemical letters called bases. Altogether, our DNA contains about 6 billion such paired chemical bases. There are 4 bases in the DNA alphabet: A, T, C, and G. In DNA, base A joins only with base T, and base G joins only with base C. To read the sequence of bases in DNA, samples are inserted into a sequencing instrument, where high-frequency sound waves break the DNA into smaller pieces that are only about 600 bases long. Special tags are added to the ends of the fragmented DNA. These tagged strands of DNA can then attach to a glass slide. In a sequencer, each piece of DNA is copied hundreds of thousands of times, which creates clusters of identical DNA fragments. Next, the sequencer reads the DNA, one base at a time, using different colored tags for each DNA base. Special sensors within the machine detect the different colored tags. This sequence of colors reveals the DNA sequence of each fragment. Powerful computers piece together these individual DNA fragments and reveal the sequence of your DNA. Then a team of medical experts uses specialized software to analyze and compare the DNA sequences to identify the handful of variants that may be important for your medical care. Discuss the results of the sequencing of your DNA with your doctor and a genetic counselor.
If you could find out that you were at risk to get a certain disease, would you want to know?
That's all, folks.